Now, the first thing we need to do is to raise each side of this equation to the power of 4. Okay, so let's do that. So this is x to the power of x to the power of 4, okay, raised to the power of 4, okay, is equal to 64 raised to the power of 4. Now, I want you to concentrate on the left-hand side of this equation. Just concentrate first. Now, when you look at it, you are going to notice that this is x, okay? Now, x is raised to 2 powers, which are what? X to the power of 4 and what? 4. These are the 2 powers of x to the power of 4 and 4. And just like I explained in the beginning of this video, that you can interchange their position. So that simply means that I can bring 4 in and take x to the power of 4 out, right? So let's just do that. That means I can write this as what? X to the power of, let me bring this power in, which is 4, and I'm going to take x to the power of 4 out. Can you see that? All right. So that is exactly what I want to do. Is equal to 64 to the power of 4. Yes. Now let's continue. But before that, if this is the first time you are seeing this amazing face, okay, please click the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video, okay? And please don't forget to like, comment and share. It means a lot to me because it helps the algorithm to distribute my videos more to my students that really need it for their exams, okay? Thank you so very much. Now look at what we have here now. All I'm going to do is to try to manipulate the right hand side to look like what we have on the left hand side of the equation. So I'm going to have x to the power of 4 raised to the power of x to the power of 4. Okay, this is x, please. Is equal to, now 64 can be written as 8 squared, right? So let's write it. 8 squared raised to the power of 4. So now we have x to the power of 4 raised to the power of x to the power of 4 is equal to, now we have 8, we have 2 powers, so we can actually multiply the powers together. So it's going to be 2 multiplied by 4, which will give us 8. You can see what we have here, right? This is simply amazing because by comparison, we have 8 to the power of 4 to the power of 8 to the power of 4, and we have 8 to the power of 8. So this simply means that x to the power of 4 is equal to 8, right? Okay, now to get the value of x, let's raise each side to the power of 1 over 4, okay? To the power of 1 over 4. And when we do that, this is going to multiply this, therefore this will divide or cancel this, and we are going to have what? X is equal to 8 to the power of 1 over 4. Now 8 to the power of 1 over 4 is same thing as 4th root of x. Now let's prove this. The question says x raised to the power of x raised to the power of 4 is equal to 64. So our x is 8 to the power of 1 over 4, right? Raised to the power of 8 to the power of 1 over 4 raised to the power of 4, okay, is equal to 64. Now we have 8 to the power of 1 over 4 raised to the power of, this we divide this, we have raised to the power of 8, right? Is equal to what? 64. Now note that when you have 2 powers, you can actually multiply them together. So this is same thing as 8 to the power of 1 over 4 times 8, which will give us 2. So what we have on the left hand side, sorry, I don't have enough words to actually explain well. So what we now have is 8 to the power of 2, or let me just use here. Let me use here, sorry about that. So this is what we have now, 8 to the power of 1 over 4, okay, raised to the power of 8, right, raised to the power of 8 is equal to 64. So we have 8 to the power of, so this we divide this, we have 2. So what we actually have here is 8 to the power of 2 is equal to 64. Now 64 is equal to 64. That simply shows that what we did is right. Thank you so much for watching to this place. Till this place. So let me know if you actually did by commenting I did in the comment section.